Have you ever had one of those days where you just want to stand on your desk, scream, "I quit," and walk out in a blaze of glory? It sounds liberating in the movies, but in real life, Philippine labor law has a few things to say about that mic drop moment. Under the law, resignation is a voluntary act. It happens when you decide your personal reasons are more important than the needs of your company, and you choose to disassociate yourself from your employment. But remember, it's not just a feeling. It requires a clear intent to leave and an overt act, like submitting that dreaded letter. Before you pack your bags, the labor code generally requires you to give your employer a 30-day written notice. This is to ensure the office doesn't crumble the second you walk out the door. Take note that you're walking away from your livelihood, so your bank account needs to be as ready as your heart is. But here is where it gets tricky. Many people think they can change their mind the next morning. However, there is a landmark Supreme Court ruling, specifically the case of Intertrod Maritime versus NLRC, which clarifies that once a resignation is accepted by the employer, it cannot be withdrawn without the employer's consent. Legally speaking, if you try to take back a resignation that's already been approved, you are essentially reapplying for your old job. It is now the employer's sole prerogative to decide if they even want you back. If they say no, it isn't illegal dismissal. It's just the consequence of your own decision. The moral of the story? Don't let a temporary bad mood lead to a permanent unemployment status. So, look out for yourself, and make sure you're moving to a greener pasture before you hand over that letter.